নমস্কার বন্ধুরা, আমি গোপা চক্রবর্তী, গ্রিন হাউস কলকাতা থেকে। আজ কিছু আউটফিটস এনেছি, কিছু ড্রেসেস আমার ওতেই করিয়েছি, সেই কাঁথা ধরেই কয়েকটা ড্রেস করালাম। দেখুন আজকালকার মেয়েদের পছন্দ হয় কি না, আমি তো নিজের ভাবনা চিন্তা দিয়েই করিয়েছি। আর কাফতান অ্যান্ড লট অফ আদার ড্রেসেস, কোটস অন আজরাক। আমি এবার এগুলো একটু দেখাই। So I'm Gopa Chakraborty from Greenhouse Kolkata. দেখুন my program and let's start now. Yeah, this is one of them. একটা দেখালাম. This is the kaftan on gachi tassar. This is the one. And এইরকম নেকলাইনটা হয়েছে, অ্যান্ড দের আর হুকস অলসো সো দ্যাট ইউ ক্যান ওপেন অ্যান্ড পরতে পারেন। এগুলো খুব কমফর্ট উইয়ার, হোয়াট এভার সেড অ্যান্ড ডান। আমিও পরি কিন্তু, আর আমারও খুব কমফোর্টেবল লাগছে এগুলো পরে। আই ওয়াজ এনজয়িং, তো আমি বললাম ওয়াই নট। দেখুন এটা এক নম্বর দিস ইজ অন গাছি টাসার। দিস ইজ লাইক দিস দ্য কমপ্লিট লুক, অ্যান্ড দিস ইজ দ্য ব্যাক অফ দ্য শাড়ি, back of the kaftan, and this kaftan costs 6,200, all on gachi tassar, and we are giving a slip with this. একটা স্লিপও দিয়ে দেওয়া হয়েছে এর সঙ্গে। There's a slip. This is coming with the kaftan. 6,200 is coming with the kaftan. 6,200 for this set. Either the leggings or whatever, so many things have happened. এখন তো আমাদের সময় তো এত জিনিস ছিল না, এখন এত রকম হয়ে গেছে আপনাদের চয়েসেস। সো আমি যা পেরেছি আমার আইডিয়াতে এগুলো করিয়েছি। দেখুন দিস ইজ মাই স্টাইল অ্যান্ড গর্জাস ওয়ান। স্পেশালি দ্য দামনটা দেখুন, এই জায়গাটা সো বিউটিফুলি ডান আপ। So neckline একটু ওই দিয়ে দিয়েছি পাইপিং, অ্যান্ড হাতেও they're all anchored, and there's a stripe. These are all tassar, even the piping, everything is on tassar. Look at this. Again I wanted comments. Last episode it was fantastic. So many people spoke to me for those designs. আমি একটু চাই আপনারা comments দিন. Speak to me on phone. And they're all slits. Side slit আছে, এগুলো slit আছে, side slits and party wear. This is for 6,200 again. This is the one. The second piece is 6,200. And this is the batik kaftan. A touch of কাঁথা again. গ্রিনহাউসের জিনিস একটু কাঁথা থাকতেই হবে। This is the batik kaftan, all on Bishnupur silk, hand batik. This is the third one, and this is 3,900 dear. All on Bishnupur silk, best of material. খুব ঘন কাঁথা, and the stripes. 3,900 for this one. The third one, the fourth. Oh, fourth is not there. Number 5. I'll show you the fifth one. Look at this. This is number 5. The neckline and the piping all throughout, the edging is for highlighting the whole thing. Dekhun, looks so dressy. Comfort wear. সারাদিন পরুন। Let's name it সারাদিন. Take my saradins. They're so good. All throughout the day you can wear this. And this is number 6. Number 6. Skatha again. Here and there. Very dressy. 6. Number 6. And the party wear ones. These are 3,800. 3,800 dear. And this comes with the slip again. This is in best of material, best of chanderi. Even for elderly people also, we are happy to wear this. আমাদের জন্য এগুলো ভালো, সবার জন্য ভালো. It's a good dress. Number 7. Number 7. সবাই পরুন এগুলো. 3,600. 3,600 for this one. With the slip. নিচে পরে নেবেন and তার উপরে slip পরুন. Number 7 is going for 3,600. All throughout the Parsi work, their hand Parsi. এগুলো যদি ভালো লাগে, I keep making. আরো করব. Will inspire me. Saris now. So moving on to saris. This is on slab cotton. The slab cotton. The process is called slab. This is the process of releasing fiber. That is called slab. Process of releasing fiber. This is slab, and this is the batik done on that. Pure, but it is pure. This is not mixed. Whatever you get from the market is the duplicate of slab. This is actually the pure variety, what I am showing. And this is not print. They're all hand batik done upon that. Those of us who are wearing malmals, we can try out these. Egulo as good as mals. They are so beautiful, so beautiful. And the drape is also very nice. And this is the part. It's very stylish. Look at this. This is very nice. Very more. Even মানে ourselves, আমরা যারা মালমাল পছন্দ করি, you can always use this slab. Slab is also a very light material. Look at the slab. And this is number 8, and this goes for 1,800 only. Number 8 is going for 1,800 only. Oh, this is the peach one. Peachটা তো খুব পছন্দ করে সবাই. This is the peach one. This is again on slab cotton. Look at the saree. Use it. এগুলো আমাকে স্ক্রিনশট দিন. এগুলো অল্পই আছে আমার কাছে. I've been trying with slab, and this time we have made it. Slab আমার এটা ভালো লাগে. Texture is very good. I like this texture. Number 3. Saree number 3 is in blue color. The batik, the splashes look so dynamic, very nice. Look at the batik. So beautiful. Look at this, it's so stylish. পরলেই ভালো লাগবে। Can wash and wear. So very comfortable. আসুন গ্রিন হাউসে আসতে হবে কিন্তু। গ্রিন হাউসে আসলে আমরা অনেক কিছু দেখাতে পারবো আমাকে। I am at Kiatala Road. Yeah. This is a beautiful color again. These are all for 1800 and usable. খুব আরামের শাড়ি। Even in winters, summers, it's comfortable base. যারা মালমাল পরেন আপনারা ইউজ করুন। আমি ভাউচ করছি ইউজ করুন and you tell me the পরে comment. I wanted to feedback. Very beautiful piece. For 1800 only. This goes for 1800. Yeah. This is, look at the kalamkari prints they have made on this mustard, golden mustard. This is golden, royal, rich color. দেখুন এটা মাস্টার্ড এর উপরে করানো হয়েছে। So very rich. This is zari effect. This is the one with achal, mustard achal, golden mustard this is. And I will love to show you the drape. Drape is also so beautiful for this. This is kind of linen, but this is not actually linen. The drape is so beautiful. এটা দেখুন, এটাও খুব সুন্দর। Texture is little blended, but it will give you a beautiful look. This sari like this. So now I feel it. This is like tussar only. So blended tussar. This costs 3200. 3200 for this piece. And the blouse. $3,200 for this. This is number 13. Look at the print. Number 13. পরুন এই শাড়িগুলো, so good, so rich looking. Especially this is a very traditional print, ভীষণ traditional, and the color is that onion pink, gorgeous onion pink color. So very beautiful with this kind of blouse. So this is what it is. Sari is beautiful. This sari costs 3200 only. 3200 for this drape. The color, it will go for the color again. দেখুন 3200 টাকায় খুবই সুন্দর, so beautiful. 3200 only. And this I loved the sari for the price, and it's so much show in this sari. পরলেই একটা খুব সুন্দর লুক দেবে এই শাড়িটা। Look at this red one. They're all on tussar. Look at the kalamkari print, the effect. So very nice. Look at this. And you know the price? Price is 4,200 only. 4,200 for this one. Look at this. This is the one. 4200 পিক আপ এগুলো খুব রেগুলার ইউজ করতে পারবেন ফর রেগুলার ইউজ পার্টি বিয়ার go for shopping anything very nice 4200 the way you dress yourself একটা 1800 টাকার শাড়িতেও সুন্দর লাগতে পারে শাড়িটা পরার উপরে look at this so very beautiful pieces all embroidered this is the archer part the saree number 15 looks like this এই লুক দেখুন এই লুক আসবে শাড়িটা পরলে কিন্তু খুব সুন্দর সুন্দর কালার I've got two more colors in this one is rust and one is brown all of them are equally good एक से बढ़कर एक 16 नंबर শাড়ি নিয়ে number 16 and this is on tussar again tussar a new prints on tussar corporate look prints দেখুন so beautiful this is on tussar this is the look of the saree spread the achal একদম ফ্রেশ ডিজাইন নিউ ডিজাইন এগুলো কিন্তু একেবারে নতুন ডিজাইন this is all on tussar and we have the blouse section the shade of green and there's a pinstripe all throughout number 1 number 16 is going for 7200 number 16 is going for 7200 look at the saree this is my special this time we put a lot of effort for this block this is that Cadbury color na chete this is the one look at enjoy the achal gulo dekhun and the shading and there's a lot of look at this beauty beautiful piece somehow আমি এনজয় করি শাড়ি দেখাতে ভীষণ তাই এতবার বিউটিফুল বলে দিচ্ছি look at this isn't it nice আমার মনে খুব সুন্দর হয়েছে শাড়িগুলো look at this and this portion is like this otherwise it will look very মানে ভীষণ বেশি কাজ মনে হবে এটাতে খুব স্মার্ট এন্ড বিউটিফুল and this is the piece lovely piece and for lovely ladies সুন্দর সুন্দর জিনিস দেখুন এটা গিচা and this is a pure gicha it's not that thing that chhide jabe and all that it's not at all this is a pure gicha look at the saree when worn it will look fantastic 7000 how much 7200 dear 7200 was a special tussar one this time all new designs 7200 yeah this is my yellow this is the yellow one এটা আঁচল দেখুন আঁচল। The artists are doing a great job. প্রচুর সুন্দর কাজ হচ্ছে। This is like this. The sari, the whole sari effect of the whole sari. This yellow is very fresh. খুব সুন্দর yellowটা, very gorgeous when worn. তসরে যে এত ভাস্ট কাজ করানো যায় এই টেক্সচারটায়, তসরই পাওয়া যাচ্ছে না। তসরেরই খুব ডিমান্ড, আর তসরই গেটিং তসর এখন ডিফিকাল্ট হয়ে গেছে, হার্ভেস্টিংই হচ্ছে না, তার জন্যই সবটা এফেক্ট। সো মাচ অফ রেইন অল দ্য টাইম। This is the one. And the blouse section, the blouse is, I think, it's a different color. Yeah, this is the blouse piece. Here goes the blouse piece. Look at this, they're all very beautiful. Look at the color. Mustard with rust. This is 7,200 for this tassel. এবার কিন্তু প্রত্যেকটা ফ্রেশ ডিজাইন। তাছাড়া শাড়ি সুন্দর সুন্দর দেখাচ্ছি কিন্তু স্টাইলিশ না, একদম গ্রিন। পিকক্স, দুটো করে পিকক রয়েছে। $7,200 again for this one also. 7,200। তসরগুলো একেবারে ভিন্ন টেস্টের হয়েছে, একেবারে অন্যরকম করে করার চেষ্টা করা হয়েছে। And this is the blouse section. This is the blouse section. Black and white. 7,200. 7,200 for this. This is that গরুর গাড়ি, কুমোর পাড়ার গরুর গাড়ি এসে গেছে। Somehow I like these things, ভালো লাগে। They're all পুরনো ট্রেডিশন ফেরত আনাই ভালো আমাদের। সব কোথায় চলে যাচ্ছে এই ডিজিটালের যুগে। So very beautiful, from the roots একেবারে। This is a tassel, and all throughout this concept, this is the aanchal part. And as this is a very traditional one, we have given a yellow blouse only for this. People don't want changes, they want in same color. They খুব চেঞ্জ করিনি। They say they will look tall with that. They have that their concept. আমরা কয়েকটা এরকমও রাখি যে একই রঙের ব্লাউজ। This is the one like this. This is only for 6,900. This was 6,000. Oh, this was 7,200. আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, এইবার রিফ্রেশ তো। 7,200 for this. 7,200 for this. Okay. This is again wow wow. আপনাদের আজকালকার ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজে wow wow. We never used wow কথাটা, এখন মনে হয় wow wow is the language. দেখুন এইগুলো দেখুন, this is the tassel, this is the scripted portion, this is the achal part. This is the body part. And all over it's like this. Such a good piece. হয়েওছে খুব সুন্দর শাড়িটা। Come down to Greenhouse. You will enjoy here a lot of other collections. আসতে তো হবে। We'll take all the precautions. We'll be safe. ঘরগুলো তো বড় ওইগুলো, এখানে কোনো খুব ক্লোজনেস নেই, it's a big apartment. This is for again 7,200. Oh, this is that color. Look at this. This is the achal part. This is the, half part of it. The other half is like this. So down below it will show this portion, and this is like this. This cost 7,200 dear, with this blouse. 7,200 for the whole saree. Total effect of the saree. প্রত্যেকটা নতুন প্রিন্ট। 7,200. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Number 23. This sort of marble work, marble print. This is on tussar. This is the achal part. Look at this. These effects they've given. My woman artisans are really creating wonders. এত ভালো কাজ করছে দেখুন। This is the blouse section. This is costlier one, no? 7,600. 7,600 for this piece. This is the fall of the saree. And the saree look is like this. 7,600 for this piece. 7,400 dear. Goodness. The dress number 24, which are all comforters. শীতকালে অল্প ঠান্ডা, and wear these comforters. They're all made in Azrak, and the size is 46, and this is for 2,800, and they're all reversible. You can use in both the sides. This is for 2800 dear. 2800. And this is for 3200. This is number 25. This is a patchwork, all Azrak patchwork, very durable material, किच्छु অসুবিধা হবে না, কোনো wear tear নেই, they're all comforters, আরাম সে এখন হালকা শীতে পরুন, for Calcutta people, and otherwise also it makes into a style, jeans এর উপরে any dress, carry করাটা নিজের styling. This is the sleeveless one. Size is 46 and these are all reversible with the pocket. There's a pocket at this size. You could keep your mobile. It's like this. The slit also. There's a high neck. You could wear on sarees also. ভীষণ সুন্দর লাগে শাড়িতে, আমিও পরে ফেলেছি একটা দুটো. I also keep using these. Komor peeth dhaka thake, it's very comfortable, 2600. And this is the one again, 2600 dear. This is 105. This is the episode 105. Dekho eta. This is all with Azrak prints. Sleeveless ones. Lovely piece. This is the one again. We have hodes and hodes, lot of things have been 2600 again for this. This is number 27B. 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 This is with the sleeves. With the sleeves. Traveling এর সময় নিয়ে যান, এগুলো ভীষণ আরাম, সারা দিন সকাল থেকে পরে থাকতে পারেন. 3200. 3200, size 48, it's larger one. Number 28, 48 size, 3200 please. 3200 please with pockets. And number 29. Number 29, beautiful, beautiful one. Dekhun. All the prints are nice. 3200 with this kind of inside. Oh, this stripe looks very smart. 3200 for number 29. And this is the long full length one. This is a full length one, number 30, 44 size, full sleeves and the reversible. This is 3600 dear. These are pure Azrak, not the ordinary printed screen printing ones. They are all pure Azrak. 3600 for this also, number 44, size 44. This is full size with pockets and reversible and whatnot. There are two-sided buttons also we have given. And that, almost finished. And this is my Lambani dupattas I'm left with. And we got some Lambanis, but it is sold from the outlet. So keep visiting my outlet. I'll be getting Lambanis and show you later. This is the Lambani, dupatta. Look at their workmanship. It's a tribal kind. 2.5 meters length. Wonderful dupatta. Use it as a stole also, or you cover yourself. These are very dressy ones. These are for 4600. Very dressy ones. 4600. One more Lambani and I'll be over with my show. Onek kichu dekhalam. Lot of things happened during this show. New ideas, new concept. Screenshot pathate hobe. And please do subscribe my channel. share it with your friends. It will help me out and means a lot to me, dear. This Lambani dupatta is on cotton, Irkal cotton, and this is for 4,600. 4,600 for this Lambani dupatta. Yeah, thank you, dear. Stay happy.